Back to the national capital. It's the last weekend before the high-octane polls in Delhi, where the two primary oppositions are BJP and Aam Aadmi Party. Well, Congress is also there in the contest. It seems they are also against Aam Aadmi Party, and it is the final weekend before Delhi votes. BJP will conduct a high-octane campaign. PM Modi will campaign at RK Puram. PM Modi's this will be his last rally ahead of the polls. Union ministers, chief ministers will also give a final push. The chief ministers and deputy chief ministers from other states will hold rallies in Delhi. Let's have a look at how it's playing out. My colleague Shreya is with us for more on this. Shreya, we understand that BJP is not leaving an inch to capitalize on the final weekend. Do tell us what are the opposition parties like Aam Aadmi Party and Congress doing? Can they counter what BJP is doing today?
Well, of course, it's the last 3 days before the Delhi Assembly elections, and these last 3 days can be a game changer, especially after yesterday's budget. We know for a fact that the middle class voters are definitely swaying towards BJP. And also, if we talk about Congress will not be able to, match up to the high octane campaigning of BJP, although they are definitely trying to break Aam Aadmi Party's minority bastion, the Muslims and the Dalits. But we are not being able to see their presence being felt on ground, be it Rahul Gandhi's campaigning or senior Congress leaders campaigning. But in terms of BJP, we know that all the top guns of the party are out and about. They will be campaigning quite aggressively, as they have been for the last couple of days, to dethrone the incumbent Aam Aadmi Party. Right now, I'm in the BJP office, and you must have heard of the Wall of Fame, but this is the Wall of Shame, targeting Aam Aadmi Party and criticizing the government's policies for the last 10 years. I'll show you some visuals from here. It's quite interesting how BJP has been time and again targeting Aam Aadmi Party's policies and welfare schemes, but now they have also joined the bandwagon of promising freebies, but they have also at the same time attracted the middle class voters this time by releasing a massive tax exemption, in this time's budget. So last 3 days can definitely be a game changer, and therefore all the parties are campaigning quite aggressively. But the question remains that if Congress revives its fortune even a slight bit, then Aam Aadmi Party's vote share will be split, and it is going to benefit BJP at the end of the day.
We understand lot of things are going to change in the slog overs of this match that's being played out in the national capital. But do tell us, what does the Aam Aadmi Party plan and the rallies look like today? What is their POA?
Well, of course, Aam Aadmi Party is focusing on this campaign where they are showing the people of Delhi how they are saving up on 25,000 rupees because of the Delhi government's policies of the social welfare schemes, how they will be saving up as much as 25,000, and they are fighting inflation through their schemes, through their social welfare schemes. And they're also pushing this narrative that if BJP comes to power, they will stop all these schemes, free bus ride, free education, free healthcare treatment, etc. But we have seen time and again BJP asserting that they will keep the freebies, it will continue to be in place. And on top of that, BJP has also released several other promises. But Aam Aadmi Party right now, they are focusing on their main stronghold, which is of course the marginalized, the poor, and they are going around showing how they are saving up so much of money because of the Delhi government's freebies, and therefore they should vote.
That's the focus of this Delhi elections as the polls enter the slog overs, the final 3 days left before the elections. BJP is showing its might today in the capital. What is the plan of Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress? We'll get to know in a little bit. Thank you very much, Shreya, for joining us on the broadcast.